Okay guys, Beta 300RR back in the shop. This covers all the Beta 2 strokes. But I know this has been a problem for people in the past with the Beta air filters. Which way is up? Up meaning the top of the bike, bottom of the bike when you put your filter in the air cage or air box here. So here's some tricks that I do. Once you figure out what it is, what I've done on mine is you'll see I've etched the word top and I put an arrow, and I also drilled a small hole in my my air cage here, and that just gives me a visual cue. Of course, the little fat side here, that's the lower side. Also, with these funnel web filters, which are the best, you should be using them. They do stop a ton of dirt. I go in and I put a T with a clean filter. I write a T there. And I also put a little T, you can see that, with a marker in the air filter. That helps me know what the top is. So top to top. Here's the funny thing, is you can put this upside down on the filter and then put it in the bike right, and it'll still fit, but it's not quite right. It doesn't seal as good as it could. You can see here, these filters will fit on these cages upside down. And I do know you can put the filters in the bike upside down and it'll look like they're right, but they won't seal. So don't blow up your Beta. Take a second, figure out where the top is, etch a little notch in there, drill a little hole. You have a little visual cue now, and put it on your funnel web filters or any filter that you use. I like these funnel webs again because I think they really are very high quality. They stop a lot of debris coming through. And I always oil the beans out of mine. I let them drip for a day. This has been dripping. It's still got a bunch of oil in it. That's okay. We like over oiling as opposed to under oiling. So I hope this helps somebody out there, because boy, these bikes are just too nice to ever have a problem blowing it up because you put the filter in wrong. Thanks and enjoy.